Hey guys, it's your boy David Nanit, guys. I am here with my assistant, Jack. So Jack, say hi to my viewers.
Hello.
Very good, guys. So today it's another video, guys. It's not about dinner videos, okay? It's about a factory, guys. I'm going to tell you what I do here in China for my 15 years living in China, okay? So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you guys, all right? So guys, as you know, guys, I always tell you guys I'm into business here in China, all right? So this is a factory, and the name of our factory is Xinabo Mechanical Technology, CLTD, okay? Company here. We are based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province, China, all right? So come with me, guys. I am going to show you what we are dealing with here in this factory. So this is a factory, guys. It's actually a 4-store building, all right? So you have the first, second, third, and fourth. It's actually a big building, okay? And this factory has 10,000 square meters. We have more than 100 employees, okay? And I'm one of the factory's partner. So come with me, guys. So what we do here, guys, we actually build 2 machines. The first one is threading machines, okay, intelligent threading machines. And the second one is intelligent twisting machine, all right? So there we go, guys. When you come here, this is the interest, all right? This is the factory's interest. And look at this. Look at this, guys. So all these ones are threading machines, okay? Threading machine, intelligent threading machines. There we go. Show them, Jake. So these ones are threading machines, okay? And I'm gonna tell you what these machines do, okay? So guys, for over the past 10 years, okay, we have more than 10 years experience, building machines experience. And then for over the past 10 years, we got great qualification to the Chinese government, and then we are top #1 intelligent trading machines here in the whole China, all right? So, and this is our license. You can check, guys. So the first license is our company's name, which is Hangzhou Xinabo Intelligent Electromechanical Technology, COLTD. You can also check it out. All right, so all these are our prizes. You can see, guys. Guys, in here, guys, this is our company's profile. All right, so you can see you also have Chinese and English translator. Guys, I am going to take you with me in our production workshop, okay, or our production room. Okay, there we go. Jake, come with me. So guys, in here, guys, we are in our production workshop, okay? Remember, guys, I told you, guys, we sit in a 10 square meter company, okay? So the building itself is very huge. So you can see our production machine. So this one is one of our threading machines, okay? So intelligent threading machines, okay? Very good. So as you can see, this one is already full built. It's already complete, all right? So guys, don't forget, guys, if you want these machines, you can always check our website. And then, yeah, so there we go. Here we go. So guys, a gentleman, all right, this is a gentleman. He is one of the builders, all right? He is building the machine here. So come here, Jake. Can you please show them? So guys, this is what this machine can do. Can you see that? Look at how beautiful this metal or this product is. So it's very simple, fast, and efficacious. All right, so now this one is not ready yet, but like actually they are building these ones, okay? So there we go. This is how we work here. Look at this. It's very huge. And this is just a first floor. This is just the first floor, guys. It's actually huge. And remember, guys, we only build 2 machines for now. Threading machines and pop twisting machine. Okay, very good. Look at this. Look at this one, guys. So don't worry about the electricity. Actually, it's well preserved and it's 100% safe, okay? So everything here is well build. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the electricity. Okay, professional, and we have high quality engineer here. So there we go. Yeah, and now this is it. So I think like this is this is how they fix the engine. Okay, so this machine contains two engines, high quality engines. Okay, so these engines here can go to, okay, so you have all the informations here. This one is top of the engine, introduction motor, heat, 25 degrees, 75 degrees. You have pulse 4, output 3 HP, 2.5 kilowatts. Okay, very good, guys. So you see here, you have all the informations. And then look at this one, guys. So all this is huge. All these ones are our products. So we have great equipment. We have a high quality team. We have high quality equipment. Okay. So if you are looking for trading machines, intelligent pop twisting machines, guys, don't forget to check our website. I'm gonna leave our website down below. So yeah, guys, we can ship to worldwide, in Africa, in Europe, and in Asia, even in the United States of America. Okay, so let me take you to the second floor. Let's go, Jack. All right, guys, so right now, guys, we are on the second floor, and then this is our warehouse. Okay, so this is where we pack our already built machines that are ready to be shipped in different countries. So this is our warehouse, guys. Second floor. And then as I told you guys, remember, we sit on a 10,000 square meters. Okay? So look at our warehouse. And then last week, if you came to this warehouse, guys, you're gonna see a lot of machines, but like we already shipped them to different countries. So we don't have a lot of machine remaining here. All right, so let me take you to the third floor. Let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are, guys. So this is third floor. Okay, and then this is also one of our warehouse where we keep different machines, different cables, where we keep engines, where we keep every products, every machines or every materials for our machines. All right, so you can see, guys, all of these ones, guys. So this is where we keep them before we take them to the second floor or the first floor to be built. Okay, so look at this one, guys. Like over here we have lots of engines. You can see this is new. Okay, most of these ones are new, but some of them are used to be tested. All right, look at this. Third floor. Okay, check this one out, guys. All of these ones, you know, so these are still new. Okay, these are still new, ready to be used. So like when they are ready to be used, we take them to the second floor and then first floor to fix our threading machines and our pop twisting machines. Okay, great, guys. So I'm gonna take you to a very special room where our engineering or engineers build these electric or electronical devices. Okay, so guys, this is a very special room, guys. Okay, come, let me show you guys. All right, 你好，我们在拍视频。All right, guys, so this is a very special room, guys. So you see, guys, all these things. Look at this one, guys. Okay, so this is our sweet lady, lovely sister who is making this machine work. So she's actually an engineer, and her profession is to build these things. Okay, so she's dealing with electric things, something like that. 哎，我想问你好几个问题。你觉得做这个好不好玩？
好玩呀。
好玩啊！你做这个已经有多久了？
我做这个在这里做了3年了。
All right, guys. So I was asking our assistant if she's very if she likes what she do. She says yes, and she's been working here for the past 3 years, so she's very satisfied. So this is what she's doing. Very good. Okay, says here. Okay, so actually, so guys, you see, all these ones are cables, cables, cables. And then like in this room, there are 5 of them, very professional. And look at this one, guys. Look at this room, guys. So if you like electric machines or electronical machines, guys, you know, these ones are already built. They are ready to be fixed. Okay, they are ready to be taken in the first floor. Okay, so very beautiful. Look at it. Come here, Jake. All this one, guys. So we have lots of machines, lots of fans. So this one, I think these are the fans, and I'm not too much professional about this thing, guys. So I'm just showing you to have an idea what I do here in China. Okay, so this is one of our factory. Okay, I'm one of the partner, and we've been shipping a lot of machines, a lot of twistings machines, and straightening machines all over the world. So the reason why I am doing this video, guys, is to show you if you need these straightening machines or pop twisting machines, or if you have constructions, sectors, construction, even friends, brothers, whatever, who needs these machines, guys, you can DM us in our website. Okay, let's go. Now, guys, I am going to show you our live stream room. Like right now, guys, I am trying to build different live stream rooms, whether in Russia, in India, in Africa. Okay, so this is our Chinese live stream room. But on the 4th floor, I'm going to build overseas live stream room, guys, and I'm also going to share this live stream room in my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in joining our live stream room, then you are welcome. So this is the intelligent trading machines. Okay, so look at this, and then these machines actually make this. Okay, so before using the machines, this material is like this, you know. So after using the machines, so this material will turn like this, like this. You see that? You see that, guys? Like this. So guys, like if you or your friends or anyone you know is in a engineering industry or pipeline processing industry, construction industry, or hardware machinery sectors, you know, yeah, these are the sectors that really need our machines. Okay, so right now, guys, I am going to start this machine to show you how it works. Okay, so Jack, let's show them how it works. So it's very easy, guys, to use this machine. So the first thing here, you have your stream. Okay, and yeah, I think it's already on right now, guys. I turn it off, so I'm going to start it, and then I'm going to show you how to use this machine. So the first thing you have to do, you have to turn it off here. All right, so now it's actually on. And the good thing with our factory, guys, we have 3 languages. Okay, not only 3 languages, like we can select different countries' languages. If you, like now is in Chinese, if you want to change English, you can also change English. Okay, but like since it's Chinese, it doesn't matter for me. So when you turn it on, you have to select operators instead of manager. All right, so you select this one, and then you press the password. And then our machine has the same password. Our machines has the same password, which is 1111111. Then you go to trading. Yeah, here. Yeah, great. And then here. Very good, guys. So that now is in Chinese. Okay, I can speak Chinese, I can read Chinese, but like if we send a machine to South Africa, South Korea, or African countries, European countries, we can select your country's language. You don't have to worry about that. And then after, guys, now you have to turn on the engines. Okay. Close it first. Yeah. So this is the engine, guys. So when you turn on the engine, you can now you can now hear the sound. Okay, then after turning on the engine, then now you can click here, start. You see, so now the machine has started. Now you can see. Okay, very easy, guys. So I am not gonna use it, I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. So when it works like this, now the machine has already started. By then we don't have any metal which is not made, so all our metals are already built out. So for example, in case I have this metal, this one is not built out, okay, but I'm not gonna use it right now. Okay, so for example, this metal is not built out, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna press it here. Okay, I'm gonna press it here. So right now it's here, and then you have to put your left foot here to close this. Come closer, Jack, to close this one, guys. And then after, I'm gonna press it. Okay, it's very small, this one. This one is very small. Okay, very good. So it's just like this, guys. You do like this is okay, but this one is very small, so we don't use in this one. Okay, so this is how you use it, because like we don't use this small, you see, it's very small, so we have size that this machine can be used. Okay, so very simple, guys. Let me try this one first and have see. Let me try this one first. I'm gonna put it here, close this, all right, and then after you press it. Now you see, guys, it's ready. Woohoo! Come close, Jack. Guys, can you see? Can you see, guys? Can you see this, guys? So good. Very good, guys. Okay, and it's very fast, guys. It can only take you within 2 seconds to 3 seconds, then you are good to go. So now, guys, this machine doesn't need a lot of people, lots of energy. Okay, 3 seconds, you are good to go. And then you can choose to stop. You can choose to press it up. Okay, you can just choose to press it up like this. You don't have to turn it off. You just press it up. If you want to raise off, if you want to go to the bathroom, then you just press pause. That's it. And then after, if you come back, you can also turn it on again. Just here, you are good to go. And then you stop it. That's it, guys. Okay, so this is our threading machines, and then here, guys, we have our pop twisting machine. Okay, so right now, guys, we are only building 2 machines, which is threading machines and then pop twisting machines. Okay, but for this one, guys, I am still not familiar to use this machine, so I cannot show you, but like in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to use this machine. All right, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, and follow, guys. Subscribe. By the way, I'm gonna leave our factory website down below and you can check it out. Okay, so if you need any info, guys, please comment down below, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, guys, I would truly appreciate it to give a like, comment, and subscribe. You can also share this video to your friends or your family, especially those ones who are into construction sectors, applicable to the engineering sectors, pipeline processing sectors, or hardware sector. So right now, guys, this is the second floor, and the second floor, this is where every company, this is where every offices are, and then this is our meeting rooms. Okay, so this is where we have our meeting rooms. If where are we going to improve our machine capability or capacity? Okay, so all this place, this is where office room is. Okay, yeah. So now, guys, thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna say bye for now, guys. Bye bye, guys.